acid. Some substances such as lemon, craft, and tarmian have a sour taste. This is due to the presence of a substance called acid in them. Substances that contain acid are called acid substance. The word acid comes from the Latin word acere. Acers means source. Lemon, curd, tarmian. Substance as soaps and cleaning agents have a base taste and are supplied to touch. This is due to the presence of substance called base in them. Substances that contain base are called base substance. Soap, shampoo, cleaning agent.